Welcome back, everybody, and here we have the camper. So like I said in the last video, I'm going to come out here and finish right here, and then we can check the OBS or OSB off the list. I don't know whether we're going to do the floor before or after that so that it gets pinched in and whatnot, but this is looking good. We now have a mostly enclosed place, so you can get a real sense of size now. But anyway, thanks for coming on and watching. Let's get started. Okay, so what you just saw us do was put in these nailers, and I was just sitting here screwing them from the inside. So now the wall is nice and solid and strong, and should be able to hold the weight of putting cabinets in this first foot. So I think we're gonna do the floor next if we can find the tool. So for work today, I picked up this bucket of goop, which is adhesive for the floor, and we just installed the floor, and it led to me sitting in here for a bit of time, but dang, that looks good. Oh, that's a fan that I nearly tripped over. We had to let it sit for a while, so I was kind of sitting in there, and the fan helped make the adhesive more tacky quicker and keep it cooler, because with all the insulation and even with the windows open, it's really, really warm in there. This thing's probably winter ready, and that wasn't even the intention of it originally, was to make it winter ready, but it probably is at this point. So up next, I think we'll be putting the foam in here, here, and here, and then we can cover that, and then all the outside is done, and we can move on to the door, maybe put the cabinets in. The cabinets only go about a foot, so once this is dry, probably in a couple days given my work schedule, I think I can test fit the mattress to make sure that we get the right placement for shelves, figure out exactly how we want the shelves to fit. I was thinking, and might be able to make it so that the shelves are open on the bottom here, so you could put a longer mattress in or a shorter mattress in and have it kind of adjustable almost. I think it's fairly simple, but I don't know for sure, and probably is not worth the effort to go through. But it's getting there. It really feels like a camper now. All we need to do is all the trim pieces, the exterior, and put the windows in for the last time. And then it should be good to kind of go outside and be used fully. And I cannot wait. I am also going to take a moment here to just say thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Please ask me any questions you want to know on the thing in the comments. I literally answer questions on videos that are years old at this point, and people seem to enjoy it and really get their knowledge out of it, because I have used some of these products for years. The rack, for example, which is sitting over there to be put on top of this, I still get answers or questions on those videos that I answer today. So please, thank you for following. Thank you for watching. Really, thank you so much. So what we did was put the foam in, and then we took a router and routed all the edges so that they were flush. Next, we're gonna get the skin on here, and then the outer layer of skin, the FRP, I think cut up for the top, maybe, not sure yet, but we'll see what happens and how far we get tonight. So I'm trying to remember where we left off, and I think it was with the floor getting done. We actually have since put the hole in, and I think I mentioned that. We now have pieces in there we were able to cut away with the fine tool and a flat bar, and put some studs around the hole so we have something to screw to and it will sandwich all together. We just put some urethane, blanking on what the actual stuff is, along the top here and on the roof so that we could seal it better and protect it from water and moisture. We also reskinned the front of the door. We're going to put a little bit of skin on the back of the door to hide the ugliness that is the corroding aluminum. We're going to clean it up first though. And then we also decide what we're going to do for trim. So this is part of a cedar fence, and we're staining it. So this top part has got one coat of stain on it, and you can kind of see the line right here where we haven't stained below that, and you can see the difference already. It's got a little bit of a rustic look, and it lightens it up surprisingly, so you keep that lighter looking wood under it. And I think it's going to look really good as runners along the top and the sides and around the windows. But anyway, thanks for watching. Catch us in the next video, which should be out in a week. But like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and have a good night.